Students, hey, it's Mr. Murphy, and we are on lesson 3, numbers in exponential form raised to a power. So exponential form is a base to a power, so that's telling you how many times to multiply the base. If I multiply two exponents, if they have the same base, I add the exponents. So 3 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 7 would be 3 to the power of 5 plus 7, or 3 to the power of 12. Now we're going to take the exponents raised to a power. So 3 to the power of 5, and then we're going to raise that to the power of 4 or something. So we will know how to take powers of powers. We will know that when a product is raised to a power, each factor of the product is raised to that power, right? So 3 to the power of 4 raised to the fifth power means 3 to the power of 4 times 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 3 to the power of 4. I think that's 5. Okay. Students write simplified equivalent numeric and symbolic expressions using this new knowledge of powers. So instead of writing 3 to the power of 4 5 times, what am I going to write? Okay. Exponents raised to a power. So suppose we have 3 4 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We know that's an exponential notation of 3 to the power of 4. Now suppose we have 5 groups of 3 to the power of 4. So then I have 3 times 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 3. Whew, it's a lot of 3's. Much easier to write it as 3 to the power of 4 to the power of 5. So this one is 3 to the power of 4, 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 and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So 3 to the power of 4 to the fifth power. There's 5 groups of them. Well, if there's 5 groups of 3 to the power of 4, how could we simplify it knowing what we know about exponents? How many 3's do I see here? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 groups of 4 3's. So that's 23's because 5 groups of 4 is 20. So that would just look like 3 to the power of 20 because there are 23's in total being multiplied. It's that simple. Okay. Simplifying exponents when they're raised to a power. Simplifying exponents raised to a power. Why does 3 times 3 times 3 blah, 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 become 3 to the 4th to the 5th? If you look closely, you can see there are 5 groups of 4 3's. Well, that's just multiplication because 5 groups of 4, 5 times 4 is 20. So 3 to the 4th raised to the 5th power equals 3 to the 5 times 4, which equals 3 to the 20th power. Okay? So that's called our power of a power rule of exponents. This is the next law of exponents, the power rule. It tells us that to raise a power to a power, multiply the exponents. Just like before, it doesn't matter what the base looks like. It will always follow the same rule. So the examples on the next slide will be the next lesson.